Big heat, big humidity, big risk for severe weather later today. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. H is the beginning of our impact words for today. We'll start off with the heat. It's our hottest day of the year so far. Drink extra fluids outside or inside without the air conditioning. Temperatures inland and even in some shore towns will be in the 90s. Then we have the humidity. It's the most humid day of 2025. If you go outside, it just feels like a wet blanket out there. Sorry to your hair. And then the thunderstorms, high impact storms possible today. Wind damage threatens, and there is the risk for a tornado as well. Let's take a look at our setup here and let's explain to you why. Well, we're seeing what we're seeing. We have a cold front that is marching in from the west, but we're still firmly in this warm sector. Really, it's a hot sector from that warm front that passed through New Jersey on Wednesday morning. So we have that heat, we have the humidity, and that cold front will be the trigger for thunderstorms as we go later in the day today. And behind it, some drier air moves in. Here's a look at our futurecast. We're dry for most of your day today. It's going to be sunny, but here comes those thunderstorms rumbling in from west to east across the area. Now, you'll see this line of thunderstorms move in. It's fairly quick. We're talking about an hour's worth of rain at some point between about 4 to 8 p.m. And there could be a lingering shower through 11 o'clock or so, but really that main time is 4 to 8 p.m. After that, we're dry as we go into Friday, and we're likely dry into our weekend as well. And that is good news, as it'll be our first dry weekend in a number of weeks here up and down the Jersey Shore. And you know we definitely need that for our shore businesses. We are in a level 3 of 5 risk for severe weather in the inland part of Atlantic, Ocean, and Monmouth counties, as well as the I-95 corridor. An enhanced risk like this happens 1 to 3 times a year. So it's something that is unusual, but it's not rare for us. And then most of the Jersey Shore counties are in that slight risk, a level 2 of 5 risk, which means that scattered severe storms are possible. Not a definite, but possible. Here's a look at those risks in greater detail. We are going to see areas of wind damage, I do believe, mainly west of the Garden State Parkway. Some hail will be around. It should be non-damaging hail. And yeah, we can see a tornado or 2 or 3 in the shore counties. Remember this, though, with the tornadoes, they're small. That doesn't mean everyone is going to see a tornado. Even if there's 3, most of us will be tornado-free. Difference between the watch warning and advisory, Cup of Joe weather and drone edition. Watch means the ingredients are there, but when that espresso is made, we either get an advisory if it's a nuisance issue or a warning if it's a big deal for us. And we could see severe thunderstorm or tornado warnings later today. Here's a look at our forecast for today. Muggy and mild to start. Hot this afternoon for the inland areas. Shore will be in the 80s, upper 80s in places like Belmar and Asbury Park, lower 80s on the islands, and then we're in the 80s with those strong storms later today. Your sea and sand report is okay. We definitely have nice temperatures. We have that sunshine, but we do have the bugs on the beach and a medium risk for rip currents. And then for Thursday night, well, it's dry by about 9 o'clock, then patchy fog afterwards, especially in those wet areas. Eventually it gets drier, but it won't be until about Friday morning or so. Then we go to the weekend. High pressure's in charge. We have that sunshine. And we'll continue with that sunshine from Friday all the way until Wednesday here. We're likely dry over the weekend. There's a low risk for some rain on Sunday. That would be about it. Friday and Saturday look to be fantastic days. Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, hot. Now, it'll be humid as we go into Tuesday, where the air temperature could reach 100 degrees. We're going to pay special attention to that. Meanwhile, at the shore, if you want that sea breeze relief, the beach will be the place to be after we get past today.